On the website, it's very similar. On the website, if I was going to upload photos, I'd go find the project that I'd like to upload photos to. When I enter the project, I kind of land at the Photos tab here. And then on the top right corner, you'll see Add New Photos. So I click that button. I can choose photos. I can take a photo if my tablet or computer has a camera, obviously, or more likely on the website, I'd be uploading from my library. So I could go through here. I could select a couple photos, add those to the queue. I could add my custom description that I want to apply to all those photos, or I could add tags that I'd like to be on each of those photos. And you'll see those selections get hit here, and then I would just simply hit this Upload Photos button, and that would upload it to the project. All the photos that get uploaded, again, get run through our object and text recognition, where we extrapolate more data and associate with a photo. And then we also issue a notification alert that gets sent out to everyone on the project team that says, hey, new photos have been uploaded to the project, and allows them to review those photos. I'll hit cancel since those photos aren't applicable and this is an actual job. But I'll show you some of those capabilities. So whenever you add those tags and descriptions, like you can see Jeremy Roach here has added information to all these photos that they have. It's very valuable. It helps search things much easier. You have no idea how many times on projects we have to go back as part of a claim and find information to back up. Maybe it's a change order request, or maybe we're defending ourselves against a claim that a sub had, or an owner has some warranty claim or so forth. Anyway, this information becomes very useful, saves us a ton of time and money when we have to go back and find some of this information. So just a couple cool features here on the Photos tab in any project. If you click on any part of the project, like I'll click on Jeremy Roach's name, it's going to throw his name up in the filter. And so now I'm looking at all photos that Jeremy Roach has uploaded. Additionally, if I click on Jeremy Roach's name and then I exclude it from the search, now I'm filtered to photos that he did not upload, so everybody else. You can access all these filters by just clicking on the search bar and hitting this More Filters button. And this will show you that we can filter by the tags that you guys are manually adding to photos, auto tags, which are tags that are object and text recognition put on every single photo. Checklist. So if you've completed a checklist or a company form or document and you've attached photos to it, we have a relationship between the photos and those checklists. So I could see all the photos that were submitted as part of a material receiving inspection report, for instance. And then users, so I could see all the photos, maybe Dan York has uploaded on the job. Maybe I want to see all the photos that Dan York uploaded and have the MLB superstructure tag. So you can quickly add multiple search and filter terms here. And maybe I want to see photos with MLB superstructure that Dan York uploaded that have vehicles in them. So it's just an unbelievably useful tool for finding photos and recovering photos during a discovery, whether it be, God forbid, a litigation that we're in, or if you guys are putting together change order proposals or applications and things like that. Another really cool thing about the OCR, the object and text recognition algorithms that we utilize at SiteSpecs, is you can actually search those things. I just demoed, how we search those auto tags, which are objects that we're recognizing in images. It's just here, I'll just show a really simple example, sunset, right? So this is our object and text recognition. It'll pick up sunsets in photos, so you can filter to those. But it also picks up any text in a photo. So if it sees any text or reads letters and numbers, it makes those things searchable. So for instance, if I'm going here and we have photos of documents, so a lot of people are taking photos of documents to scan them into the job for this very reason, because it's a very valuable tool. So I see this photo has SpecCrete in it, but let's just say, for instance, I remember I uploaded a document, it was SpecCrete. How do I find it? I could just type in SpecCrete, and then it's going to pull up every single picture that it recognizes the text of SpecCrete in. It's a very valuable thing that we have, and you can look up license plate numbers, you can look up company names on the sides of trucks, all sorts of things.